Hey guys, welcome to our channel. In today's video is we're gonna learn about how to buy on TikTok Shop. So if you want to go ahead and try to buy on TikTok Shop, the first thing that you need to do is install the TikTok app, and once you already have that, click onto the TikTok app. So as you can see onto the bottom part, there are different icons. So you need to click onto the shop one to browse through the different items that you want to buy. So for example, you want to go ahead and try to buy this phone case. So you'll just have to click onto that one, and then right after you could see the buy with coupon or add to cart. So you have two options. So if you want to go ahead and buy this directly, just click on to buy with coupon, choose in a variation, and then right after just click on to buy now. And then right after, you should be able to see the different summary, and then you'll just have to place order to buy the item on TikTok Shop. And that's just basically it on to buying on TikTok Shop. If you think this has been helpful, don't forget to hit the like, subscribe, and we'll see you on to our next video.